The mechanic said, yes, me at ye, yam fabi, and carrying you been so and fem fremu. Yame win archie, me and Wakwaba, at the pass archie beam, and Ebnada. Yanko poned the say at the arche. Medin the aquasi in Sia, Asem Yi Di Ka and Edusonam so a kakai. Ashafone at ye for Sanyaco Pon Yard Mua. From the 6th to the 9th of June. It is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. And yet da sebre osebo suyo tos mienu dot ye me cheda di esie no asante mampo hene on the 9th na ye da juada no ena ye de papa beko ekura sada no pem so asante manyina ewura otumfo set to ababio eba no akasa ababesie da sebre osebo suyo tos mienu. So on behalf of Asante Mampohima, Nana Ajakuma di Fie Tosminu. Nana my free war Asante Mampo, Namantra Kunya, Abanyampo, and Fie. Nana my free war Asante Main, you see a tonsa at the Frowi Biase, and then dra. Emeke ona Yakope, da Sebre or Sebos your Tosminu. Ye pedocrabia. For a second, say, come Morta Guinness. There be a mecato sobenum, anonym dia, Vania Morta Guinness. Is as in you know ya ashemumano, a dos ye pa. We be on no morta Guinness, be a becatos or numbia, or Yahwadi mapa, Eddie and Jumasa de se effata. And Tono Quancha Basabasa, the Biabatos or Hersia tre made in Ghana no Eddie Abo. Said be a bit to me, I'm not near a ye papa, morta Guinness, or so we move. So I'm a pay a Madame Saka as the Acramio. And then penny for a tournament, what shall say a decongestion, a war and crowd project. What I say, your service now. I'm saying, and no, as you didn't a buy, no. It a man penny for shall see a two animal. Ya shall see a pomegranate foie, a tibia ya, any quasietna. And Zuba, a wokumase, estati, kudos. South and Yansua, a war and council, I shall see him. I'll see a buana cronaka semuno, etim number 1. If fear adukru a chronaka some yetimi is a frimu. Manfo etiti biaya and self-fata setimi clomunina edi every one. So kudos to the creator Accra a mayor. Onum pelifo, but want to believe. Say enye twemka bia keke. Say ade ba akopena atwemako. Ya pese believe in sa. Ya pese ye benya ne sa. By your pese, a bet twasso, never be a keeping it clean, no, it's my clean. Some I'm quite much nominate James. Yeah, or join news and watch Ekbo. Okay, James said, why you ready? Give us a vivid picture of the situation across so a war. Accra, send a million in pen for a 2 boy at the EFA.
Our viewers on Adom, it's been almost 2 hours of the decongestion exercise here in Accra. We are currently here around the Kantamanto area where the exercise is still continuing. It started about 6 a.m. this morning and it's been 2 hours now. And the mayor himself is leading the exercise. You see him there in the black cap there leading the exercise. From the Tudu area all the way to Mokola to the Rollins Park areas have been a good sight. Even as at 6 o'clock a.m., the street was cleared. All the women had packed their things from the street. And so it was generally some level of compliance as far as the exercise is concerned. The only incident or difficulty we are encountering now is the Kantamanto areas, where a number of the traders did not actually comply with the directive. And so the mayor himself have been trying to, you see him there in an embrace with the market women. He particularly decided to put a human face to this. And so the situation on the Accra, Mokola, Rollins Park towards the timber market areas had been generally compliant with the traders packing all their things from the street. But talking to the traders, the general indication I got is that the mayor is currently engaging with some market women. Let's speak it briefly, and I'll come and give you the rest of the update.
Okay, eti enkrameyo eno na ade ba ko pe na mesre NPP ebisiye and the NPP to anamo say ye ewie the greater former greater Accra regional minister me complain say on one party for started fighting against him. Mesre NDC mpanifo mesre NDC mpanifo ebiesi pen I quite remember Okova na po ebreso one yabo tijan elusa sise no mte ade wanuma so ye besere mo ade na empanifo ma no mutu anamo a na party agye mu se no kofo na apobobo no o metu abere etie yen etie nyom no ebe yen sometimes ye holding it high said be amanfo bo se be ya o mte o mudi dwa no enye nsem fata. My family called Daily Graphic, I think 18th April 1960. Publication, I'm for the publication, Daily Graphic, at the buyer, I think 18th April 1960. What about my publication? Now, I share idea. Okay, so where your Daily Graphic? Publication on the 18th April 1960. When the rains came to Accra, 1960, 1960. How many years from now? 1960 away, a Daily Graphic, the publication, number 2975. Daily Graphic publication, 18th April 1960. So the question is, say, and I'm to be two from this time. Ebesi ene to ensure say ensuyiria eba no. And for how they benedie emre manfo. Ensure yes eto de bia ewiemu sakayenti no ne ma betimi abo ama abo abroso. But say ene ensuyiri na se na so fa nipa efe japade enu ese adenta according to the MC nipa miensa ene wuye. According to Adom MC, nipa miensa ena nu asu yiri a course on kan kwadwam e fa mu ehwe mo nkwa. So if from 1960 to akokra mo akwada, you say fast train services plan. So 1960 the plan is here by fast train. From 1960. And no man started say by fast train. Ebe sin ne. The next one is sky train. Oh my baby. Oh my, good morning.
Morning. But for your information, SkyTrain, Ebebaso, na empaying no kokotene, on Sisicasno $2 million be a can system. And the weather feasibility studies or whatever, no, Mukudisa and or court. Until say ihu say ni swadi ihu no 1960 entwem me gidi say nche fast train services na ebit my adwuma na bibia ko kama e dia my. It's very important part of our development. Train there any ma bebre e dey faso bre kru bi e pie wo so nti let's not discard it. Very important. I just say the ni swadi ihu na che nemu ya kan before na abakọ na bia omo ho boabo na nwi repair na say name unti go me that say na o kan decongestion exercise na say me that say we are only hoping say party was paying for be jai million na management juma Adri Blankson Okovanda Poy Henry Corte I think only point made my discipline by Sally Farm Kwa ono de sabrina kemam ke be limited and then limited. Ukazana no watch do. Limited. It is a second what the Udi Agro be do. Yeah. And a pay call about Quasmo can or say anka Ghana for your so dinti no nka bere bia da no ye chi a etwa ye chimpria e be ye hweso de but sabere ni nyina no ye free mo nti monti asese ye beka na won so aka na ye twe adwene susu na ye de sachira ekuru na mpuntu ebi e baka ma e de ma won kwesi ada se ma po share bia na me kwa
nyame admo a from 6 to 9
okay
and you know dot ye no eba so
okay
e wo Asante Mampong.
Okay.
It is free ni fiada kosini juada die.
Okay.
In June, first week of June die.
Okay.
Adaje any posokra e was Asante Mampong.
Okay.
So
yes, that's CP. Yeah, back to